At VISD, the STEM pathway is an exciting journey that begins at Smith STEM Academy, continues through STEM Middle School, and leads to Victoria East High School.
Mom, what's STEM?
STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. At Smith STEM Academy, you'll start learning how to solve real-world problems through the engineering design process.
This process encourages hands-on experiences where students connect concepts from science, math, and even reading to understand how their learning applies to the world around them.
Wow, so I get to learn how to solve real problems?
Exactly. And you'll also learn to think critically, collaborate with others, and communicate your ideas clearly.
By middle school, STEM learning becomes even more dynamic, helping students tackle challenges creatively while preparing for a future full of possibilities. At Victoria East High School, students deepen their STEM skills, setting them up for success in any career path they choose.
STEM helps me use science, technology, engineering, and math to solve real problems. It's so important because it teaches me to think creatively and work with others.
That's right. And you can join a STEM campus at any grade level.
The VISD transfer request application for the 2026-27 school year is open from March 1st through March 15th. Apply today and start your STEM journey.